Thanksgiving story. Once there were pilgrims. They lived in England with the captain and discovered something they never heard before it was called the Plymouth Rock. And when all the people in England all heard about it, they said, "We must leave England and go to that land." So they packed all their stuff, then went on their ship called the Mayflower, the biggest ship. So when they got on their ship, they set sail away from England. So when they were on sea, the waves got tougher, then even more tougher like ever before. Then the people on board got sick and spread. Then one of the crew fell off the Mayflower, but got saved. Then one of the guards said, "We must go back to England. It is not safe." But the captain said, "No, this can be our chance to land on Plymouth Rock." So the people were even more sick when suddenly a loud voice said, "Land ho! Land ho!" When they saw Plymouth Rock, they were happy. They danced, excited. So when they were on land, they put down the bridge. They got their stuff, tools, and started building houses, and stayed in the house from different weather. So for food, they hunt. Instead of hunting, they saw Squanto and said, "Why?" And the pilgrim said, "What does that mean?" And he said, "That means hello." So the pilgrim said, "Can you help us? Our people are sick." So by the time they came back, some were dead. So they prayed. But Squanto brought the people to teach them, and he teach them how to food, catch fish, grow plants, and grow fruit. And pumpkins. So they built pumpkins. So they built houses and animals. So then people were not sick anymore. And also how to hunt. So what they ate were turkey and all the other stuff, and they play around the table with the pilgrims and Indians. So from this day on, that is why we have Thanksgiving. The end.
Yay! Good job.
No. Up,
Go
guys.
in there.
Technical difficulties.
Happens to everybody. What's he doing there?
Gobble,
The
gobble.
end. Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, guys.
Ethan was our savior.
Good job.
Everybody got sick.
Oh, don't do that. Go under there. You'll rip the paper. Gotta go in the back way.
One of their hair fell off.
Oh, well.
Oh, that's okay.
Squanto's hair fell off.
Oh
Does
my
Freddy
God.
Krueger come in here at all?
So they did the backsplash and they did the.
Don't get up yet. We're still on.
That was really good.
You have another one?
No,
Yeah. We
He
have
just says
another
they do.
play. We
You
have
do?
another play.
Okay.
you do.
Ethan.
I don't know if you noticed, you have two fire pits. One for the Indians and one for the Pilgrims.
Oh, okay.
It's fire coming up.
Very nice.
And your apples.
Cool.
Oh, that's scary.
Ooh.
Wow.
I'm a wild west. I'm a dizzy flower. I'm the Wild West, people. I'm a dizzy flower. I'm gonna get you some beer. Yeah. I know. Bye bye. Where are my eyeballs? Well, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Guys, let's go back.
Let's talk about
Did he think of that?
Yeah.
He did it himself. It's very
That was
good.
really
Yeah.
good, guys.
Yay!
Yay!
Take it out, take
Take
it
it
out.
down.
Very nice.
Yay!
Very nice.
Well done.
What they realize is how much work that's involved because the one